Are you trying to grow your business on Instagram but struggling to message new customers quickly? Manually sending DMs is slow, frustrating, and impossible to scale, especially if you manage multiple IG accounts. In this video, I'll introduce you to a powerful tool called MKT Insta, a desktop software that helps you automatically send direct messages to hundreds, even thousands of Instagram users, safely and efficiently. Whether you're doing e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or just growing your personal brand, this tool can save you hours of work every day and help you reach more people than ever. MKT Insta is an Instagram automation tool you install on your PC. It simulates real human actions on Instagram, so your account stays safe while doing high-volume messaging. No need to use your phone, no need to manually copy-paste messages. Just set it up once and it runs automatically in the background. Instagram DMs are one of the most effective ways to reach new customers, but manually messaging people is time-consuming and gets you blocked fast. That's why we created the Auto Bulk Messaging feature inside MKT Insta to help you send personalized, natural-looking messages to a targeted list of usernames. Let me show you exactly how it works step by step. Step 1. Open MKT Insta on your computer. Step 2. Click on Auto Send Message. Step 3. Upload your list of usernames. You can get this list by scraping followers, likers, commenters, or hashtags directly using MKT Insta's built-in scraper. Step 4. Write your message. You can add emojis, links, and even set up multiple message variations to avoid repetition. Step 5. Set a delay, for example 20 to 40 seconds between each message. Step 6. Choose which Instagram accounts you want to run. Step 7. Click Start and let the tool do the work. Here's what you get with MKT Insta's bulk messaging system. 1. Send thousands of DMs automatically. 2. Scrape or import username lists easily. 3. Personalize each message with text variations, spin tags supported. 4. Include emojis, call to action links, promos. 5. Run multiple Instagram accounts at the same time. 6. Use human-like delays and patterns to stay safe. 7. Ideal for outreach, marketing, customer support, and lead generation. MKT Insta uses real device simulation, rotating messages, and safe sending patterns. There's no API abuse, no spammy behavior, and no risk of mass banning as long as you follow the safe settings. If you're just starting out and want to try it risk-free, click the link in the description to request a demo version. Or message me directly on Telegram or WhatsApp. I'll help you get set up step by step. Thanks for watching. I'm Hoang from Mamba Tools. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more tips on automation and digital marketing tools. See you in the next video.